Which of the following best states the author's main point? So whenever we're dealing with these main point questions, we always want to put it in the answer in our own words. And this goes for primary purpose, main point, same thing. So what is this author's main point? Well, to show that this guy P or Pessin, you can call him whichever is easier for you, that P went against, he was an iconoclast, so he went against the traditional account of America that this guy T, let's just call him, and T said that, oh, it was fluid and based on equality, whereas P said, no, it's not. There's the very rich, and they have most of the money, and they get it through inheritance, and things don't change. Now, the primary point of this passage is the author does not agree with Pessin. He does say that Pessin does do some things well, but at the end of the day, Pessin is not correct. He said in lines 11, although these observations are true, Pessin overestimates their importance by concluding, So if you read there from that line, you can see that the author says that Pessin is okay, a little bit of positive, but at the end of the day, more negative. And so that's kind of the answer choice we're going for here. So if you look at answer choice A, it says Pessin's study has overturned the previously established view of the social and economic structure of early 19th century America. He's saying, well, it was okay, it did some positive things, but in general, it was wrong. So answer choice A is saying, oh, he's overturned the thinking. He was iconoclastic, went against the traditional account, but he was so influential that he changed that. And obviously, it's not doing it. It's the opposite. And then you have answer choices like B, de Tocqueville's analysis of the United States and Jacksonian era remains the definitive account of this period. B is true, or you can kind of infer it's true. Sure, de Tocqueville leads the foundation. What he says is true, and you circle B, and that's wrong. Because what's the question saying? What best states the author's main point? The author's main point wasn't to say, oh, de Tocqueville was right. That's an aside. That's just a small part of the passage. The focus here is Pessin, his view of Jacksonian America, and how that view or that account is not 100% correct. And that, of course, is answer choice E.